Hey foodies, welcome to CookingShooking. In this video, we are going to make a recipe of thupka. It is also known as thupka or Momo soup. Making this soup is very easy, but the taste is absolutely delicious. I don't know how this becomes so delicious. Looks simple, isn't it? So let's get cooking. Let's begin the recipe, guys. The first step is to boil the noodles. Here I have a pan. In this I am going to add 1.5 liters of water and then cover it and bring it to a boil. Once the water gets a rapid boil, we will add salt to it so that we can flavor the noodles. After adding the salt, we will add the noodles. Here I am using Hakka noodles, which is about 180 grams. Basically, this is one packet of Hakka noodles. Now we will boil the noodles until they are soft. This step will take anywhere between 3 to 5 minutes. Once you feel that the noodles are ready and they are soft, you can take one out and then press it or eat it. If you find it is soft, then you can strain it. So here the noodles are ready and now I'm going to strain it. Please do not throw away the water, guys, we will use it later in the recipe. Now we will wash the noodles with some fresh water to stop the cooking process. The noodles are done, guys. Now we will make the thupka or the soup. For that, here I have a Chinese kadhai or a wok. The main ingredient for the thupka is stock. What I'm using is cabbage juice, guys. What I've done is I have taken one small cabbage, grated it, and then I have added half a teaspoon of salt, mixed it really well, and then I have squeezed it. That's right. If you add salt to cabbage and then squeeze it, you will get this. As per my taste buds, this is the key ingredient for a veg thupka. You can use any stock that you like. Now let's begin the recipe. In this hot Chinese kadhai, I am going to add 1 tablespoon of oil. And as you have seen, I have added oil from the sides. Since the oil is hot and ready, I am going to add 1 inch of ginger which is chopped. In the cold weather, ginger really helps. After the ginger, we are going to add 1 onion which is sliced and then cook it for about 1 minute. Since the flame is very high, we do not want to burn anything, so be quick. After about a minute, we will add rest of the vegetables. Here I am using half a cup of cabbage and 1 carrot which is cut very long and thin. Along with the vegetables, I have also added 1 teaspoon of salt. We are going to quickly mix it and cook it for 2 minutes. After cooking it for 2 minutes, we are going to add the tomato into this. I am using 1 tomato. Along with that, 1 tablespoon of Momo chutney. Basically, any red chili and garlic chutney will work in this recipe. Along with that, 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. And then another key ingredient, which is MSG or Ajinomoto. You can totally skip it if you want to. Now I'm going to add rest of the spices, about 1/4 teaspoon of Garam Masala, half a teaspoon of Haldi powder, half a teaspoon of black pepper powder, and half a teaspoon of soya sauce. Now mix it really well and cook it for another minute. Now to freshen up the flavor, we are going to add a handful of coriander stems. That's right, we are going to use the stems in this recipe. You can also use green onion if you wish to. Now here I have a packet of Hakka noodles masala. You will get this masala in a few Hakka noodle packets. You can also use curry powder instead of this. Adding this curry powder or Hakka noodle masala is totally optional. Some people add it, some people skip it. Again, give it a mix because the flame is very high and cook it for a few seconds. After mixing it really well, we will add the stock that we prepared from cabbage, which is about 1 cup. And now you do not need to be very quick because you have added water. After mixing the stock, we are going to add water to it. Here I am using the same water in which we boiled the noodles. This water has a lot of starch from the noodles which will increase the taste of the thupka. That's right, the starch in the noodles water will make it extra tasty. Now the next step is to keep the flame very high and bring this to a boil. I totally forgot to add lemon juice, so here I'm using 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. The step remains the same, bring this to a boil and then this will be ready to serve. By the way, you can also taste a little bit of this to identify if everything is right. This was slightly too strong for me, so I'm going to add some more of the noodles water. Once this thupka gets a good roaring boil, it's ready and it's time to serve. For serving, here I have the bowls. In this I'm going to add the noodles. The quantity of noodles is totally up to you. Over the noodles we will add the soup that we prepared right now. And there you go, your homemade thupka is ready. You can serve it with some Momo chutney. Basically the red chili chutney. Looks fantastic, isn't it? In a video or a picture this looks like any other soup, but the taste is so different guys. You have to try this one. Do try it, I'm sure you will love it. See you next time with one more delicious recipe. Do remember to follow me on Instagram at cooking.shooking for regular updates. See you next time. Bye, take care, happy cooking.